Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So guys, in the gold market, again, the political tensions intrudes to the normal behavior of the financial markets. So just yesterday we have discussed the possible retracement because it has been suggested by overall technical pictures. The market has completed some targets towards the daily, very close to the daily overbought, and technically odds have suggested retracement down. But yesterday Donald Trump has taken the word and said that the United States dollar is too strong. As a result, as you can see, gold market and other assets have skyrocketed across the board, and as a result, market has reached the 1285 area. At the same time, as you can see, daily overbought holds the price action very well. So yesterday we said that if any geopolitical tensions will happen, it's probably hardly it will be greater than 1282, since the daily overbought yesterday was at 1282 approximately. So today, you can see market is calling around the top. The technical picture has not changed. So for the daily traders, we continue to stay on the point that currently it's not a good idea for taking long position, because just by technical reasons, we could control, we could analyze and foresee just the technical reasons. By the technical picture, we have the same star as yesterday. So market stands at overbought, and then some resistance. This is 1278 was strong weekly resistance, which market right now is calling around it. That's why some retracement down is preferable for taking the long position. At the same time, we can't exclude again, as you can see, the geopolitics take the first stage. You can't exclude any new events from the geopolitical tension. So tomorrow we will get the Good Friday, and logical it suggests that today activity should fade down a bit. So market participants should turn to take some profits. As you can see, action on current week was really active. But since this action is mostly was due to running inequality and safe haven assets, so maybe we will not see really massive sell-off as taking a profit right in the end of the end of the weekend before long holidays. Besides, as you know, Reuters agency reports that it's really some hints that something should happen on Thursday, because the journalist who visited the North Korea tells and reports that something should come and should happen on the Thursday, and that keeps overall market investors in all markets keep them tight. So that's support the overall nervousness on the market, and that's why hardly we will see any significant bounce down. So that being said, from the technical point, it's better to wait for retracement if you would like to take the long position. Overall, the overall context and is bullish on the market, and recent action just stands in a row with our expectation, with our long-term analysis. But again, we should keep in mind the possible geopolitical risks that unfortunately stands out of our control. So if retracement will start, the two levels that we should watch for is 1265. This level has been broken, and take a look, 1250 is confidence support. So retesting of the breaking strong resistance area looks normal behavior for the gold market. So gold market likes to retrace broken levels. That's why the still levels could be reached in retracement down if market will be driven by the normal technical factors and will try to abandon the daily overbought area. So that's normal retracement will be. Also, guys, pay attention that market has exceeded the monthly pivot resistance one, and suggests that this is continuation of the long-term bull trend that we have on the gold market. It's not just retracement within some bear trend. So that's our current view on the gold.